There's a part one and a part two, so make sure you watch those. But here's the thing, is that when you're teaching, sharing information, giving so-called value from the energy of genuinely and sincerely wanting to help people, now you're acting in accordance with that law, knowing that no matter what you give from a generous place, you are always going to be blessed. You are always going to be refreshed. You are always going to prosper because you're acting in harmony with the way things work. And there are some of us who are generous, do give a lot, but we don't seem to receive. And in fact, sometimes the acquisition of money, sales, business seems to come with a lot of hustle and struggle. And that's not because the law isn't working. It's because we have a blockage around receiving. See, sometimes we're operating on the generous side of the principle, but we're blocking the flow of the receiving. So you can't be like, having some type of sense of unworthiness around receiving, or not believing it's allowed to be easy. It's not allowed to come to you easily because you gave freely, you gave easily. Why wouldn't it come to you easily? So when we have a block there on the receiving side, then the law can't work for us.